Hello, coaches. We finished session 1 last week. Session 2, Managing Matters, starts on Thursday, March 17th. Before I set the table for session 2, let me recap a couple of key points from session 1. In session 1, we started making sure everybody understands how this program works. The 10 sessions, the cohort learning, working in teams. The second thing we did is we survived Zoom Boot Camp. A milestone achievement is that the infrastructure worked without noise. Thank you for your practice, your patience, and we kept the cyber gremlins at bay. We know about the power of mute and that space bar. We started with the overview of the case for Managing Matters. Because of the changing demands in the workplace, we need to continue to invest in leaders. The challenge of leadership requires that we wear 3 hats: leader, manager, and coach. And on any given day, you may function as a leader, a manager, or a coach based on the situation. Most of the conversation was around that hat of coach. There are 2 types of coaching. There's coaching in the moment, that's what we do every day, and there's planned coaching, and that's something that we're going to learn together. The final part of session 1 was to learn more about your fellow team members. We have 30 members in our cohort group. We have a very diverse background and lots of different levels of experience, which are going to make this a great class. In session 2, we'll focus on several topics. Let me help you on that. First, we're going to talk about your role as coach. It's all about you. We start the session with a conversation about what do you think leadership is and what's your brand when you walk into the room. And we'll do this in small groups and breakout sessions using Zoom. The second aspect is communication and your behavior styles. You've been asked to complete a behavior style assessment before the next session. This will give you great insight about you. It will also make you more aware about how communication and behavior styles work together. Third, we're going to focus about what do we think about coaching? We'll introduce you to the coaching model, and the next topic that we're going to cover and the final is about performance. Coaching is always about performance. How do we measure performance? Individual, team, business. So your homework is to come prepared for session, and that starts right away. Complete the behavior style assessment. Communicate. Talk with your manager. Let your team know about this program. And then finally, decide, are you in? Take the picture of your branch and the members of your team, send it to me. I really want to see them. I am so excited about our next session. You matter, Managing Matters, and I can't wait for the next time we meet.